Hi again, Kevin Gallagher from Mental Performance Coaching, and welcome to our 12 Days to Christmas vlog, number 8. Not long now, you're getting excitable? And today's tip is designed to save you a fortune in both time and money. In actual fact, if it's executed rigorously, it can make you plenty of money.
On the 8th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me.
I have to give a shout out to my good friend and brilliant coach Ian Dixon for designing this really simple yet effective tool. It's a one-page marketing plan which Ian calls his 5 for 10, and it's really easy, really simple, but don't let the simplicity fool you, because if you take the time to do this exercise and implement it with pig-headed discipline, I guarantee it will get you dramatically different results from your marketing in 2021. All you need to do is grab a piece of paper, in fact, grab one right now, and then divide your paper into 3 columns. And in the left-hand column, I want you to list your 5 core marketing strategies. Now that could be things like networking, proactive referrals, LinkedIn, websites, email marketing, bold calling, video, or lumpy mail, just to name a few. You can have more, but have at least 5, and you must be prepared to commit to using these strategies for at least 3 months, because there's always a lag in marketing, and your prospects will probably need to hear or see your message several times before they decide to raise their hand in an effort to find out more. And then in the center column, which is the 10 element of this tool, on a weekly basis, you list 10 things you're going to do from an activities perspective, a proactive activity against one of those 5 core strategies. So for instance, you could have 2 against your website, 4 against networking, 2 social media, 1 email marketing, and 1 lumpy mail, giving you the total of 10 activities. Ultimately, what you're looking for in this column are the things that you're going to committing to do on a weekly basis against those 5 core strategies. Then at the beginning of each week, check in with your list. And the strategies that are working, they're bringing you leads and inquiries, rinse and repeat. And any that aren't at least showing you the green shoots of results, review and consider what can you do to improve the strategy. Are you targeting the right prospects? Is your offer strong enough? Does the call to action really compel people to contact you? And the 3rd column, well, you use that to track your commitment. So if you're committed to writing, say, 3 LinkedIn posts per week, did you actually do it? If you're committed to shoot 1 video per week, did you do it? This provides you with a level of self-accountability. It's a very simple but incredibly effective marketing plan, sitting alongside a really strong testing and measuring system. You don't really need anything else because you can get everything you need just from 1 sheet of paper. It only works, so give it a go. You'll thank me later. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow for Christmas tip number 9. Now go out there and you make it a cracking day.